If you're a sewing enthusiast, you know that fabric scraps and thread mess can build up quickly, making your workspace stressful. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Fantic Slim V8 Apex. The Fantic Slim V8 Apex caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive 19,000 PA suction power. Priced around $65.99, it feels like a solid investment for keeping your sewing area tidy. If you want a powerful mini vacuum that can handle small jobs effectively, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Slim V8 Apex stand out is its versatility. It's a 4-in-1 vacuum, meaning you can use it not just for your sewing machine, but also for cleaning your car or office desk. The Type-C charge is super convenient, and the different suction modes let you adjust the power based on the mess you're dealing with. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're constantly switching between different cleaning tasks, this vacuum adapts to your needs, saving you time and effort. Now, I was a bit put off by the fact that it doesn't come with a lot of accessories, which might limit its use for more detailed cleaning tasks. Some reviews mentioned it felt a little under-equipped for heavier debris, but here's the thing. For quick cleanups around your sewing machine, it really shines. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful and portable solution for small messes. Skip this one if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle larger debris or if you need extensive attachments. For $65.99, it offers solid value for its capabilities. Now, if the Slim V8 Apex's limited accessories bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the IOFine Vacuum/Air Duster, priced at around $44.99. This caught my attention because it's not just a vacuum, it doubles as an air duster too. If you want a multifunctional tool to tackle dust and debris in your sewing space, this is a fantastic option to consider. This device features a brushless motor that reaches up to 80,000 RPM, delivering a whopping 21,000 PA suction power. This means it can easily lift fabric scraps and even fluff from your sewing materials. Plus, with 3 power levels and a 6,000 mAh battery, you get up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is pretty impressive for a handheld vacuum. Here's why this matters. You can clean your sewing machine and surrounding area without needing to recharge frequently, making it super convenient. However, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy when it's on full power. Now, I'll be real with you. This might be a deal breaker if you prefer a quieter cleaning experience. But for the effective suction and versatility you get, I think it's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a tool that can both vacuum and blow dust away from your sewing machine. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or want something strictly for vacuuming. At $44.99, it's a great value, especially for its versatility. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact needs. Product number 3, Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Coming in at just $27.05, we have a portable cordless handheld vacuum that promises to make cleanups a breeze. What caught my attention is its compact design and 16,800 PA suction power, making it a great fit for tight spaces like your sewing area. If you want something light without compromising on power, this one's worth a look. This vacuum has 2 suction modes, so you can choose the intensity based on what you're cleaning up. Whether it's tiny thread clippings or fluff, you can easily adjust the suction to suit your needs. That's critical for keeping your workspace clean without much hustle. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you won't have to deal with tangled cords when you're cleaning. One downside is that some users found the battery life to be a bit short under continuous use. Now, some might see this as a deal breaker if you're doing a large project, but honestly, for quick cleanups, it does the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, no-fuss solution for small messes. Skip this one if you need something for heavier or more extensive cleaning tasks. For $27.05, it delivers solid performance. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, check out the next product on the list. Product number 4, Johnny J Handheld Car Vacuum. The Johnny J Handheld Car Vacuum, priced at $29.98, I was genuinely surprised by its dual functionality as both a vacuum and an air duster. If you want something that can handle not only sewing messes but also dust accumulation, this is a solid pick. With a suction power of 16,000 PA and multiple nozzles, it easily reaches into tight spots around your sewing machine. Plus, the built-in LED light is a nice touch for visibility in darker corners. Here's why this matters. If you're working with dark fabrics or in dim lighting, that light could really help you clean effectively. However, there were some complaints about the weight. A few users mentioned it felt a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, for quick cleanups, the weight allows for better suction control, and I honestly think that's worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for both small messes and cleaning in low light conditions. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight for extended use. At $29.98, it's a great value for its features and performance. Now, if you're after something specifically designed for keyboards and small spaces, you'll want to see the next product.
Product number 5, 14,500 Pascal Computer Vacuum. We have the 14,500 Pascal Computer Vacuum Cleaner priced at $26.99. This caught my eye with its 110,000 RPM compressed air duster feature, making it ideal for cleaning out all those nooks and crannies around your sewing machine and workspace. If you want something specifically for fine dust and fabric debris, this is worth considering. This vacuum is designed to be powerful yet energy efficient, making it an excellent choice for prolonged use. The combination of vacuuming and air dusting means you can tackle any mess, big or small. Why this matters? If you deal with a lot of tiny scraps and dust, this tool can reach places others can't. However, some users found the suction power to be less than expected for larger debris, which can be a downside. But honestly, for the kind of delicate cleaning you need around a sewing machine, it does its job well without any fuss. This is perfect for you if you want a specialized tool for fine cleaning tasks. Skip this one if you need something for larger messes or heavier debris. Priced at $26.99, it provides solid value for its specialized functions.
To wrap up, we've seen a range of mini vacuums from versatile options like the Fantic Slim V8 Apex to this specialized 14,500 PA computer vacuum. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the IYO Fine Vacuum/Air Duster because of its powerful suction and multifunctionality, which really caters to your sewing needs. Avoid the Johnny J handheld if you're sensitive to weight or prefer something lighter.